question about interest rates. Where are they at? I think a lot of people were expecting interest rates to be lower, and they were surprised to see the rate being closer to 4. Some are being quoted 4s, somewhere around 3.5. Where are the interest rate? I mean, interest rates jump around every single day, every single moment. But where are they at nowadays?
Yeah, and with the mortgage rates, definitely, yeah, the volatility has been pretty insane since everything started to escalate. But one thing I will remind everybody of is not all mortgages are the same. And so even within the conventional loan umbrella, there's a conforming loan amount and a high balance loan amount. And with a conforming loan amount, and this is for LA and Orange County, but for LA and Orange County, 510,000 or less, that's a conforming conventional loan, whereas anything above that and under 765,000 is going to be a high balance. And so a lot of the lending, I guess, not advertisements, but a lot of the articles being written are talking about the cost of imperfection. And what they mean by that is, yes, rates are at historic lows, but for very specific borrowers. And so for a conforming conventional loan, anything under 510,400, if it's let's say a standard rate and term refinance or a purchase, not an investment property, those are going to change things too. But if that kind of loan structure is what you have, then you're going to see record low rates in the low 3s. But the minute you enter the high balance category, the rates are going to be very different. And so from 510,000 to 511,000, you might notice your rate being close to a 4% now, like you mentioned. And so with a lot of the advertisements, the news media, updates on interest rates, they're always going to show you the best case scenario. But if you're in the high balance category, the jumbo category, it's going to be different. And right now, the adjustments and the kind of severity of the difference between the conforming and all these different programs are quite large.